Hi guys, welcome to a new location, episode 9 of the third season of the Belgium travel vlog series. Today we are here in the coastal city of Ostend. And we start our stroll here at the Havendam, where you can have a view of the city of Ostend. Ostend is a coastal city in the province of West Flanders, which is centrally located on the Belgian coast. This city on the North Sea has about 72,000 inhabitants, is an important economic and tourist center, has a seaport and airport, and is also known as the Queen of Seaside towns. There you have a piece of the HMS Vindictive, an English battleship that sank here during the First World War. So there you have Fort Napoleon, the first stop of the day. Fort Napoleon is hidden in the dunes near the beach. It has a setting of hundreds of years of history. Napoleon had his fort built in 1811 to repel a possible English attack. It was called Fort Impérial and was the first in a whole series. But the other forts were not finished or even built, and also an attack never came. Around 1830 it was given the name Fort Napoleon, and after the wars it serves as a museum. Now let's have a visit. So I paid 11 euros for one adult. So now we are going to the center of Ostend, and if you want to do that from here, you have to take the pedestrian ferry. It's free and it's only 5 or 10 minutes crossing the water. It's a really short way. Now the next place we visit is the fish market of Ostend, and it's right here. Most shops are already closed because it's noon. Yeah, thank you well. So I just bought the famous Ostend grey shrimps, and I'm gonna eat some of it on the promenade here in Ostend before I continue my stroll here. So the Vistrap is an open fish market created by the expansion of the harbor in the 19th century. Early in the morning you can buy the freshest North Sea fish and the famous Ostend grey shrimps there. And I just found myself a good place here at the beach. And there you see the promenade. Here we have 100 gram. tastes so good. Now let's go to the Icelandic vessel Amandine. So here you have the train station of Ostend. The Amandine was the last Icelandic vessel and was let upon dry land in 1995. A visit to this boat takes you back to the most infamous period in Flemish fishing history and tells you everything about the trips to distant fishing areas such as Iceland, Scotland or Ireland. You can visit the Amandine only during the weekend from 10 AM till 5 PM and the entry fee is €7. So here you have a closer look of the Amandine. So look at this beautiful church, built in the beginning of the 20th century. The Church of St. Peter and St. Paul. And here we have the beautiful St. Peter's Tower, also called the Peperbussen. So here we have the Marina of Ostend. Belgian polar explorer Adrien de Gerlache designed this special tree master that brought back the remains of Father Damien from Molokai in 1936. The Mercator is the only historic sailing ship in Belgium and has a lot of history. Today it is a protected monument and maritime heritage. And we are here in the central square of Ostend where the market is. Before we go to the next stop, the Atlantic Raversyde, we're going to eat something on the beach here. Let's find a good spot here. Going to sit here because I don't have a towel, but let's see what I have. Nice Hawaiian pokeball, one of my favorites. Look at this. Oh, best thing ever, with a nice view of the North Sea. Now let's go to the next stop, the Atlantic Raversyde. So we have to go through the dunes. Here, see it, Raversyde. You have a beautiful view here. And there you have Middelkerke. The Atlantic Wall of Raversyde is one of the best preserved remains of the German defense line. Here we are, as it were, walking through the two world wars. Here you will find more than 60 bunkers, observation posts and artillery positions connected by 2 kilometers of open and underground corridors and trenches. Here we're walking through the underground corridors. Here you have a view of the beach. Wow, this is really impressive. Here you have an entrance point. Look how large this area is. So for the entrance of the Atlantic Wall I paid 10 euros. So we're taking back coast tram to Ostend. So I hopped off 2 stops earlier for the Venetian Galleries here in front of me. And from here we'll walk along the promenade next to the beach. So here are the Venetian Galleries. And there is someone chilling on the roof, sleeping. And here you have a lot of beach cabins. So from here it's a 1 kilometer walk to the Sea Hero Square where we're going now. Here we are at Sea Hero Square. And here we have the statue of the fallen sea heroes of Ostend. And with that I'm going to end this vlog here in Ostend. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel LAWCATION, and I will see you again in another LAWCATION. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.